Hi boys and girls, so today for your skills workbook pages, you're going to read the story Miss Baker. And then when you're done with that, I want you to go ahead and answer these questions. So it says, number 1, what did the kids in Miss Baker's class make? Was it A, they made spelling bees, B, they made spelling trees, C, they made spelling lists? Number 2, what does the trunk of a spelling tree stand for? A, the trunk stands for a word, B, the trunk stands for a spelling, or C, the trunk stands for a sound. And in case you don't know what a trunk is, this is the trunk. So they're referring to these letters right here. What do these letters refer to? Are they a word, a spelling, or a sound? Number 3, leaves with words of the same spelling go on the same trunk, branch, or list. So the leaves, right here, is this a trunk, a branch, or a list? So circle the correct answer. There's only one. And then number 4, you have to add some words to the leaves. So think of words that have the A consonant E spelling. You write one here and you write one here. Think of 2 words that have the AI spelling. Remember, the AI spelling is in the middle of the word. Write it right here and here. Think of 2 words that have the AY spelling, usually at the end of the word. Put it right here and right here. And the last branch is 2 words that have the A spelling, just the A. Remember, the A has to come at the end of the first syllable. And remember, the word has 2 or more syllables. So write a word here and here. Have a good day.